Hi everyone. Today we are going to be practicing painting different types of lines. So we're learning the names of all of these different types of lines, and then we're going to practice painting them. So you guys will have one of these lines worksheets at your table with you while you paint. And we're going to be using Tempera Cake paint. It's in this yogurt cup here, but it's black paint at the bottom and it's dry right now. So you have to add water to it to make it work. So you're going to take your paintbrush and you're going to tickle the paint at the bottom of the cup, tickle, 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 and then go back and forth and do that a few times. 1, 2, before I even go to paint on my paper. I need to do this a few times to mix the water with the paint to make it be able to paint onto my paper. All right, and so this side-to-side line is called horizontal line. So I'm going to practice drawing some side-to-side lines on my paper, and I can choose to do it any kind of design way that I want to. If I want to try to make one long horizontal line, I can make it dashed, I can make it thicker or thinner. If I push down with my paintbrush, it makes a thick line. If I push down very lightly, just the very tippy toes, then it's a thin line. All right, and now I can practice the next line I see on my worksheet here. This one that is a little crooked, like in the letter X, that's called diagonal. So I'm going to practice painting some diagonal lines. Diagonals can go this direction, and they can also go this direction. All right, what else do I see here? This straight up and down line, this is called vertical. Everyone say vertical. All right, good. So I'm going to draw some vertical lines here. Maybe it looks like a bunch of trees. Right? And then I'm going to add some more water as I go and tickle my paint. Okay, this one, up, down, up, down. Do you know the name of this one? Up, down, up, down. That's right, it's zigzag. Okay, so we're going to make some zigzag lines on our paper. Okay, this one here can be like in the ocean, waves. So this one's wavy, also could be called curvy. And that one's a lot like a zigzag, but it's got rounded bumps to it. Okay, I'm running out of space here. All right, last couple ones, I'm going to do around and around and around. Looks like almost like a seashell. That is called a spiral. Everyone say spiral. Excellent. Maybe I'll fit one in right here. And this right here, the space that's between these lines, this little point, that's called an angle. I could add a few little spots for some angles in here. How about right here? Right here. Maybe down here. And just fill up my page. And I'm going to try to be careful not to just paint the whole thing black. I want to be able to see all of the different types of lines that we are learning somewhere on my page in my own design. Okay, have fun.